So, andito tayo ngayon sa Grenville Subdivision in Taguig City to check a new foreclosed house and lot. This is for bidding. So, that is the main gate. And ito po yung property. Ayan. Corner po siya. And malapit lang po siya sa main gate. Malapit din siya sa clubhouse. Yung clubhouse dun banda, yung rotonda na yun. Lot area nito is 119 square meters and floor area niya is 78.5 square meters. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And this is around 9.9 million for bidding. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So let's go and pasukin natin siya. So ito yung loob niya. Open layout. As is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. Ito yung back ng property. Yan. Pwede ka pang mag-extend dyan for your kitchen or another bedroom. And then ito yung side niya. Yan. Maluwag siya. Corner. Yan. Pwede ka rin mag-extend dito. And ayun lang yung gate. So this is prime location. Malapit po tayo sa Taguig City Hall, Vista Mall, and sa BGC. Ito yung bathroom niya. Ayan, wala yung yung inidoro, tinanggal na. And then akitin natin yung taas. Medyo madilim. Isang bathroom dito. Then bedroom 1. Bagay din pinaka-primary. Kasi meron siyang access to the balcony. Ayan. And then bedroom 2. Okay. So bakit dalawa yung pinto niya dito? Okay. So again, this is for bidding. Deadline po ng bidding natin is on May 5, 4 p.m. If you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Clubhouse nila.